What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Today we'll be doing an unboxing and a quick review of the HyperX Fury S Pro Gaming Mousepad. Let's get this done. Reason why I'm deciding to upgrade from my Corsair MM300 to the HyperX Fury S is because of the dimensions of the product. I like that it is a little bit longer, so it covers the table more and it gives you a little bit more real estate for whenever I am gaming. So some of the features that this has is seamless anti-fray stitching, superior fabric for optimal precision, which is similar to the Corsair. The Corsair MM300 is very slippery. This feels over here, it feels about the same, if not a little bit more slippery. This might be a little bit better. Designed for comfort and stability, portable for gaming anywhere. This mousepad is really big. It's not really portable, but sure, why not? The composition of the mousepad is cloth. The dimensions of the mousepad is 900mm by 420mm and it's 4mm thick. Let's open this guy up. Alright. As you can see, it dwarfs the Corsair mousepad by a lot. It feels really nice. Let's pull out my trusty mouse. How does this feel? It feels pretty nice, but I feel a lot of resistance compared to my Corsair. Let's bring this back out here. Corsair feels a lot smoother. You know what? They feel roughly the same, to be honest. HyperX, Corsair, HyperX, Corsair. Even though the HyperX is a bigger mousepad, it doesn't feel as high quality as the Corsair does. I don't think it'll be my daily drive. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Leave a suggestion, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.